Hello everyone. Welcome to this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, January the 2nd, 2021. Yes, 2021. And in this additional, we have here a Sudoku with a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have a tectonic with a 1 star, tectonic with 4 stars, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. Today, only 4 of them. I will do a 3 stars, a 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary puzzle. And maybe if I have more time tomorrow, I will finish this puzzle page with the other 4. So first we will start. That's my pencil. Yes, need to find my pencil. Yes. First I will do the Sudoku with 3 stars, and before I start I always count the printed digits. The 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, 21, plus 4 is 25, correct. And this Sudoku will be a number 2099. Yes. Alright, 2099. So let's get started. Let me scan. This page. Yeah, let me start with the number 3. Can I do something with 3? Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only 1 place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 1. Alright. And now. How about the number? Let me look for more numbers. No. I see here a 4 in this row, a 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 4 should be there. A 6 in this row, a 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be there. And then, how about the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Three missing numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 2, the 4, and the 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, sorry. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Here. So one of these 3 boxes is a 6 in the last column. We have a 6 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then we have a 2 in this column, the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for a 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. I need more information. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers now in this row. The missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. And look, we have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in this box. So the 9 should be in that box. So the 7 goes here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. The 4 and the 9 are missing. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers missing in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers are missing in the middle column for the numbers 7 and 4. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 6. All right. How about these 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this third column, 1 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Second digit, sorry. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7? 4, 5, and 7. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so on the third row. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square, the 7 and the 5. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then, let me see. How about those 2 numbers in the third column? Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5, I believe. 2 and a 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So, sorry. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.